Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to explore the supervisory authorities, who these authorities are, how they work, what power they have under GDPR. Under Article 51 of GDPR, each member state must have at least one independent supervisory authority. Sometimes we call them data protection authority. Their main goal is to ensure GDPR is applied consistently and fairly across their country. Think of them as the guardian of data protection in each member state. Let's look at some well-known example. France has the CNIL, one of the most active authorities in Europe. Germany main authority is the DDDI. Ireland's Data Protection Commission is especially important because the main tech companies like Meta, Google have EU headquarters there. And before Brexit, UK's ICO played this role too. So these authorities might look different, but their purpose is the same: to protect people's data and enforce GDPR. Under Article 52, supervisory authority are the guardian of personal data. To do their job effectively, they must operate completely independently from free from pressure from government companies or anyone who is in power. Members must avoid conflict of interest, no other job or role that could interfere with their duties, to ensure their decisions are fair, natural, and focusedly sold on the GDPR compliances. Independence is not just about freedom from influence; it also requires proper reassurance. Each authority must have the staff, infrastructure, and budget to perform their duty effectively. And the authority choose and directs its own staff. Will there is a financial oversight, it cannot compromise independence. These combination ensure the authority can protect personal data fairly and effectively. Now here's something really interesting. Data does not stop at the borders, right? So as you see in the slide, cooperation consistent mechanism. So when a case involve more than one country, like we say Facebook processing data in Ireland for user across Europe, the lead supervisory authority in this case is Ireland DPC takes the lead, but all other official authorities collaborate through what called the consistency mechanism. And also the DP European Data Protection Board oversees this cooperation to make sure decisions are uniform across the EU. Uh, this is the most amazing organization pay attention to, and the power of the supervisory authority listed under Article 58. They can investigate suspect breaches, correct behavior through order of fines or authorized privacy framework, and advise government companies, as you see in the slide. So yes, they can audit your organization, demand document, and even stop your activities. Let's break down these power one by one. First one is investigative power. Under this, supervisory authority can enter into your office, review or IT system, interview staff, and ask your full documentation for the data processing activities. They can check whether your practice match your policies, whether you are technical and organization measures meet GDPR compliances. Uh, so the second one is supervisory authority. Oh, sorry, corrective powers. This is where real enforcement happen. Authorities can issue formal warning, order organization to correct violation, suspend data transfer, or even ban processing entirely. And they also impose fine. Those famous GDPR fines you heard about, like millions charged for Meta, Google, and Amazon, all comes under this authority. Beyond policing, supervising authority also able compliances. They review and approve framework like code of conduct certification that the organization can adopt. They also authorize binding corporate rules, internal policies that led multinational companies transfer data safely across border. And when the government draft new law, they might affect privacy. Supervisory authority are consulted for expert advice. So they are not just enforcers, they also educator and advisor too. If I had to summarize this chapter in one line, supervisory authority wear two hats: the enforcer and the enabler. How enforcer? When rules are broken, they issue fines and stopping unlawful processing, or how enable help organization understand and meet their organization through training and guidance. Let's wrap it up. Every EU has one, at least one supervisory authority. They collaborate across border through the European Data Protection Board. Their power include investigation, correction, authorization, and advisory role. And the ultimate goal is to protect your right and keep organization accountable. So that's it for the supervisory authority. Thank you and see you in next.